Hey parents, as you know, we have a paperless classroom, which can make things difficult to know exactly what's going on in class. So we thought we'd make you a little tutorial on how to check on your students' missing work, their grades that they're getting, and any feedback they might be getting on any of the assignments that they're doing, and an overall general idea of what they're doing in class. So what we do is we log on to goodtolearn.com, G-U-D, the number 2, learn.com. And you'll see over here on the side, quick links. We're going to scroll down to Microsoft Teams. This is where the children do all of their work. All their work is fed through Microsoft Teams, all online assignments. I'm using a student account right now, so you'll see this is a list of all of the classes that they have currently. If you want to see how they're doing in social studies in particular, you can go in there. But this is the quick link to just get to all of the assignments that they have. So if we click on assignments, it'll list all of the assignments that they have, the ones that are assigned, the ones that are completed. So if we look at the ones that are assigned, and we can click on View More Past Due, you can see everything that is due for this child coming up, and then everything that is completed. If you'd like to know the grades or any feedback from that, you can click on that, and then you'll see a whole slew of assignments that we've done, and you can load more here, as you can see. So if you'd like to see exactly how somebody's done on something, you can go ahead and go into, let's see, district baseline. Let's do that. The rubrics are sometimes attached. You can look here. You click on it. You can see what this student got out of 4 points for each point of the rubric. Content and analysis, making valid claims, command of evidence, explanation, organization, and convention. Sometimes there is feedback written above. Here's the actual assignment. You can see if there's feedback written within the assignment. You can see the prompts. And in this assignment, you can see little bubbles. And those little bubbles, if you click on them, gives comments on exactly what it was. And you'll see that this gray highlighting shows exactly what the teacher was talking about, and you have this gray bar over here that shows what the comment was. Great examples for like burning fossil fuels and concrete making. If I click on this one or the bubble down here, it'll move and show good explanations of scientific processes for this exact wording here. So you can get the feedback. If we go back into assignments, for missing work, again, this is the assigned. If it is past due, you will see that it is past due. The student does have things past due. Grade 6 math, end of Unit 2 review. So you can see it's in red, shows that it is past due and how many points it is out of. You have due tomorrow, this mid-unit exam. And that is how to check for missing work, to check on students' grades, to find the feedback that they're getting, and in general what we're doing in class. And again, if a student is absent, they can go out on Teams anytime to check the work that they may have missed.